Tell them like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Yeah.
Whoosh!
I go faster, like a NASCAR. I'm about to ride down if I'm trying to crack off, like a cracker, bust it like a trap.
Boom, bang, do the wham. Oh my, sure. Yeah. It's Fizz X Jay. Yeah, you lacked. You know the names. We're here to stay, and we got another reaction for you today. Oh my, me? Sure. 2 secs. Do you say what? It's today where we have to wear these masks now, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So performing, what is it? What? I don't give a dash about it. Yeah, I don't care. I just like this one. Man's promoting. Promoting. The man them thing. My thing's blank and that. I can't lie, bro. Man, I'm going to the shop and tell them I got asthma, bro. I said I can't wear it. I got that thing still. That blue sign thing. You know that. Oh, you got one? I don't have asthma in it, so I don't know. I got asthma still. Oh yeah, see. Man, I just say your name. Man, just slap that in the face. Boom. Say no. I just say I'm with him. Word, yeah. Go do an accent. Yeah. You get me? I'll put their thing. Yeah, for everybody that wants to protect themselves from the virus. You get me? Anyway, that's not what it's about. Right now, we're gonna do a big reaction that I wanted to do from like, what was it, Tuesday? Yeah. But obviously, work. You get me? Things have gone back to normal now. Man ain't had a chance to back up with. Get me? Word, though. Yeah, had a chance to buck up, so obviously we have to do it on our day, which is Fridays. Yeah, so we're sorry we're late, but make sure you still click the fucking videos, And subscribe, yeah, it's so important. Thank you for the 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, for real. Thank you for the 2,000 subscribers. Thank you. Anyway, fam, introduce it, bro. Introduce it. Cause this is a big link one. And who? And who? Drake.
These niggas, yeah, Drake.
You talking about Drake? I've been hearing
so much about this one.
Bro, see Mitch here, shout out to Mitch here. Oh, big up Mitch. Bro, being in my ears. Oh, Drake went in, fam. Drake from Headie went in. I'm hearing Drake spun him. Is it? On the drill team? Drake spun him. Aye, bro. I don't know. I can't get used to Drake on the drill track. You know. But nah, obviously, big fan of Drake's. I know he's got some bars in there at least, innit? You get it? As well. Aye, but fucking big up Headie for this collab though, bro. Big fucking collab. Oh yeah, man. Big collab. Oh yeah, man. King of drill, bro. I can't like, you have to take the title now, drill. You have to, bro. Yeah, but what other drill artist has got a tune with Drake? It's mad, bro. Alright then, cool. So, fam, there's been something in my eye all day, bro. Oh my days, this is, yeah. So guys, we're gonna get into it. Get me. So it's Headie One, Drake, Only You Freestyle, it's Fizz X Jay. You know the names. And we are about to press play. So I was lacking. Yeah, you was, but I was just doing the flow. I was lacking. Oh my, Shirley. That was a long ass intro for us, you know. Now lacking today, bro. Yeah. Why? What's he doing? Why? Yes. Is he talking British? Yes. I said yes. 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 It's normally yeah, but now it's yes. I said yes. Yes. No, why did you say yes? I said it's normally yes. He goes yeah. Wait. Again and again. All of our lingo. Let's go. Let's hit the bars.
Yo, chose my jam, miss you for a chain and give it to a sweet one, call that Maya Jama. Chose my jam, miss you for a chain.
Let me hit the first part. What?
Chose my jam, miss you for a chain and give it to a sweet one, call that Maya Jama. Giving out gifts like Santa, sipping on Santa. I used to do lean and walk. Closet full up with designer, coming like panda. Yeah, gal just came to the booth and asked for a wheel. She never heard drill in Atlanta. Her big ting told me that I look like Yusuf, look like Hamza.
What? Was that Somalian? Was that Somalian, bro? What was that?
Yes.
What was that? Must have looked like Hamza. What's he doing? That man has really taken the thing and just bro.
Again and
Spun
again.
it, bro.
Again and again.
Brother. Again and again. Bro, this man is the greatest of our generation, bro.
Yo,
Literally cold, bro.
chose my jam this you for a chain and give it to a sweet one, call that Maya Jamma. Giving out gifts like Santa, sipping on Santa. Used to do lean and wop. Closet full up with designer, coming like panda. Yeah, gal just came to the booth and asked for a wheel. She never heard drill in Atlanta. Big Ting told me that I look like Yusuf, look like Hamza. Habibti, please, Ana Akid, Inte Oana. Niggas want peace like a Saba, but we let them
I had to try and say it. Nah, bro. You are jokes.
Habibti, please, Ana Akid, Inte Oana. With Pop Skull in Gaza, but not that Gaza, but still it's a Maza. Niggas want peace like a Saba, but we let bridge them burn like grabber. Boy, 4 in the clears and 1 in the heady. Hand don't shake, man, hold that steady. You man love pose with a ting for the picture. You man should've bust that ting already. You man love hezzy.
Ah, you talking that smoke? You man love hezzy. Yo, you talking smoke? I said you man love hesitating. Has Drake ever held a gun in his life?
Pose with a ting for the picture. You man should've bust that ting already.
Probably has
You
now,
man love
though.
hezzy.
Yeah, probably has now.
Back chat to the prezi. You know when the beef just tastes like veggie. Y'all go risk for the man. That's steady. You man love pose with a ting for the picture. You man should've bust that ting already. You man love hezzy. Yeah, cat back chat to the prezi. You know when the beef just tastes like veggie. Y'all go risk for the manny petty. CC bag look nice, but the Birkin bag look way more heavy. That's just a big gal thing, man. You get me? Rainy just turned mommy, and that's my sis, so I just turned up. Veggie, y'all go risk for the manny petty. CC bag look nice, but the Birkin bag look way more heavy. That's just a big gal thing, man. You get me?
That's a big gal
Rainy
thing.
just turned mommy, and that's
Big
my
man
sis, so I
thing.
just turned
Yeah,
up.
yeah, bro.
Fan mail came to the crib from a youth that loves me. I swear that touched me. I never even drive no whips I own, so they all look way too dusty.
Yeah.
If me and gal, let's go St. Michael. The gal come way too fussy, crushy. Man said they would do this and that.
Yeah.
Me
You really
I
did
swear
the
that
flow.
touched
You
me.
hit it.
I never even drive no whips I own, so they all look way too dusty. If me and gal, let's go St. Michael. The gal come way too fussy, crushy. Man said they would do this and that, but the man wasn't really that wassy, was he? Nah. The man wasn't really that what? 1942 hits my system, man, get way too frosty, buzzy. Girls from the past that lost me, love me. Same old way that crossed me, cuss me. Everything come full circle, word to the boss above me. Slow stroking, cause the Bamski way too big, my gal don't rush me.
Yeah, don't
What?
rush me, man.
Don't make me have to rise my rifle. Man, try send some young boys for me. Don't make me have to ride by high school. Shit, you man been dropping as my keep me.
Man said young boy tried to send right for me. Don't make me have to ride by high school.
High school.
Yeah.
Was it?
High
Was
school.
it?
Run it again.
Yeah.
Don't let me have to ride my rifle. Don't let me have to ride my high
Everything
school.
come full circle, word to the boss above me.
Yo,
Slow
brother.
stroking, cause the Bamski way too big. My gal don't rush me.
Nah.
Boy.
Don't make me have to rise my rifle. Man, try send some young boys for me. Don't make me have to ride
by high school.
Shit, you man been dropping lately. Don't make me have to fly my iTunes. So much people buy into my hype. Don't make me have to buy my hype too.
Don't make me have to buy my hype too. Don't make me have to buy my own hype,
Don't make me
bro.
have to fly my iTunes. So much people buy into my hype. Don't make me have to
Buy
buy
my
my
hype
hype
too.
too. With a big homie already. Don't make me have to side by side you. Enough times he tried to hide behind you. Amnesia, but when I remind you, I'm
Bro, he's going. Oh my
Sorry,
Jesus, come
sorry.
on. No, whoa. Whoa. I didn't think you got what?
bro.
No, that was hard. Nah, sorry you lot. What the
Brother?
fuck? Nah,
I just deep what he was about to
Yeah,
do,
bro. Bro, you know where it's coming. Boy.
Don't make me have to
Rise
rise
my
my rifle.
rifle.
Man, try send some young boys for me. Don't make me have to
Ride by high school.
Shit, you man been dropping lately. Don't make me have to fly my iTunes.
Nice.
So much people buy into my hype. Don't make me have to
buy my hype too.
With a big homie already. Don't make me have to
side by side you.
Enough times he tried to hide behind
You.
you. Amnesia, but when I remind
Mind
you,
you.
I'm touching road and I can't find you. Word to the M.O.B. I'm tied to.
I almost lost the glass. G. Oh my. What? I Headie. Say that, bro. He had to, like, Drake had to go in on this, bro. Hey, big man like
How
Headie.
we hit leggies? How much players of the gang got
Nah,
many?
have to hear your line properly.
How we hit leggies? How much players of the gang got many? Did I ever have to rise that dots? It was just under my bed and ready. Bro,
Ready.
Up, boy, I swear he got chained already.
Ready?
That next one for you was boss, then he got shot. Nathan Tete. Beat on Headie. My next one from Yard Love Reggae.
Yeah.
Started Telly, then we on in France with an ultra zeggy. She looks sexy, sipping on Henny. Propose girl, then I pass the penny. She gives Headie.
Nah, say like Headie. Say like it's having fun with it. She get Headie.
Under my bed and ready. Bro, chin up, boy. I swear he got chinned already.
Ready? What?
That next one for you was boss, then he got shot. Nathan Tete. Put his bed beat on Headie. My next one from Yard Love Reggae. Should I started telly? Then we in France with an ultra zeggy. She looks sexy, sipping on Henny. Propose girl, then I pass the penny. She gives Headie. Suit Louis now covered in Fenty. Used to put a light in the cream and it still didn't stop it, smelling like petty. Put a dark in the blue, then we put it in the red. Tell her telly. Them times was M-way. I mean M-way, T-house M-way. Now it's Penty, uptown Penty. Bentley, Range, then Bentley. Have you ever had your pockets empty? But still find a breath of for the Trenton. 6 litres flying through F's and I've seen life from both perspectives. That spot so far up Sarton Road got no connection. I'd have run through so much Scottish notes, couldn't care about no recession. Still get a 1 joke call from Boogie. Judge gave him 20 years straight, it moved me. CPS murder in a dot like Rupert's. Our little bro when I saw him so ruthless. But it's cutie, she half Cuban. Probably why she like playing with the Cubans. Said she like chilling with the booters. Ian uptown was suited. They wasn't work for the jeans were bootleg. Putting that work we had ever been spoofing. Coming from the jungle. She like playing with the Cubans. Said she like chilling with the booters. Ian uptown was suited. They wasn't work for the jeans were bootleg. Putting that work we had ever been spoofing. Coming from the jungle, you know where the zoo is. Toothpick, no rap cat, we just speak what the truth is. Don't forgive them, they don't know what they're doing. When they're hatchet, what doing? How it feels to be losing. They thought it was permanent, found it amusing. That is drip on me like I'm canoeing. Time just flying. I'm just trying to see this life thing to my juvies. So the beef is frying. They ain't trying to stop sliding. Two-see.
Alright, that was more.
This was fire, bro. This was fire, bro. This was fire. Sorry, I said it bad times.
Yeah, no.
I'm not showed him.
Penny. What's up, Buttercup?
I'm not showed him Big Bang 3 times.
Penny.
This one here.
Wait, so what?
Brother.
It's lit. Fam. Yeah. That collab went well.
I can't really say that bad about it.
Don't let me have to ride my rifle. Start young boys for me. Don't let me have to ride my high schools. Don't let me have to side by side you.
He hit behind you.
Yeah, come on. Don't make me remind you. Alright, don't. You see Drake now, do you know what, yeah? Firstly, Headie, you went in, bro. You literally rapped next to Drake, who's known as the biggest artist in the world, best rapper in the world, all of the above. And bro, I don't feel like you got spun, innit?
Spun still.
I don't feel like you got spun out all.
They both went in still.
You both went in.
Drake did a mad thing though.
But Drake done a mad thing. And the reason I'm saying Drake done a mad thing is because he's not a drill artist.
Bro, you did mad flows in there, bro. Mad flows in
there.
there.
Man. But he's not a drill artist, like. So
mad flows.
For man to kind of just right, you get it? Like that was flow.
He didn't even just do it for a 4-bar, man.
Stretched it. He done the same flow, used the same rhyme with each line that he had. That bro, that's what I'm trying to say.
You know the first bit of his thing, like the first half.
Yeah.
It's kind of unorthodox, you know.
Yeah,
the
bro.
way he was flowing.
Bro. I heard people saying, "Oh, Drake was rapping off beat."
Off beat,
yeah. And now I'm thinking that was probably, but that wasn't off beat.
He went off beat,
that was
man.
flow.
It was flow.
That was flow.
It was flow.
Don't let me have to ride my rifle. Come on, bro. Heard he tried to send young boys for me. Don't let me have to ride by high school. I love that part. You know. Man said, you said young boys for me? Don't let me have to ride by some high schools, fam. Please.
Bro.
Please. Aye, yeah. Big up.
Wheelie. Serious.
What? You giving this one though?
Alright, I'm gonna give it a 9. Fuck it, man.
Yeah, man.
I give it a 9. Fuck it.
I can't lie, I almost gave it a 9.5.
Yeah, almost. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna give it a 9.
I can't lie, I might give it a 9.5. I might give it a 9.5.
Close to 10.
Yeah, bro, it's a 9.5 though. I'm trying to think what else has been above that. More time. Think about it, bro. You get me?
I'll give it a 9.
What?
I said what I said.
That's a 9.5. You know what I did in the slash.
Yeah, you know we did that slash. You know, come on, bro. Gotta be get me.
This is lit.
It's lit. I wanna hear it again.
It's a 9.5, man.
Shut up, man. I don't care. I said what I said.
Nah, respect
It's a 9, isn't it? It's a 9, 9.5, whatever. But it's a big cheese still. Big up Headie, man. Fucking hell, bro.
Yeah, he's doing things.
Big you up, fam. Because you're so mad. I was saying, yeah, before we cut the video, I was saying that when I never used to listen to drill, yeah, Headie was the first artist that I proper like.
Yeah,
let me give it. Yeah,
saying
remember I said
still.
I want to proper like. Let me listen to him. He was different with it. He was different with it still.
Nah, big facts.
Man's got,
That's how you like Unknown T. He's different. Still.
He's different. He's got a tune with Drake. Smart, man. Hey.
Big tune, man.
Yeah, man.
Fizz
Listen.
X Jay, man.
You know the names, man. Yes.
Oof. Ain't had one of those in a while, trust me. Are we here to stay, man?
Yeah, man. Nah, but what? Nah, man. It's Fizz and Jay.
You know the names.
And that was another reaction for you today. Oh, my. Wow.
One.
Cookies all down me when I bag up. I go faster, like a NASCAR. I'm about to ride down if I'm trying to crack up. Like a cracker, bust it like a trapper.